Hey y'all, welcome back to the channel. Today we're about to see straight up magic. This is a 1965 Ford Mustang, buried under years of dust, rust, and neglect. An older guy's been hanging on to it for years, but now it's time for this classic pony car to roar back to life. Let's go grab it. We just scored this Survivor for a crazy deal. The old guy said it's been sitting since the 80s. Original paint, original motor, but man, it needs some serious love. Strap it down, haul it back to the shop. All right, she's back at the shop. Time to peel back the years. First up, deep clean. Years of grime, dirt, and mouse nest coming off. Check that out. Under all that mess, the body lines are still clean. Classic Mustang shape coming through. Rust was the main problem here. We blasted every spot, treated the metal, welded in fresh pouches where it rotted through. The frame and floors were solid, super lucky find. Sanded down smooth, lay down primer, getting ready for the makeover. Hours of sanding, blocking, and dialing in the body. No cutting corners, we want that mirror finish. Now the fun part, fresh paint. We're going with candy apple red, 2-stage paint. Multiple coats, wet sanding, and a deep buff. Look at that shine, showroom ready. Next up, bolt-ons. Fresh chrome bumpers, new grille, modern wheels with a classic look, LED headlights for a clean upgrade. Inside gets new seats, carpet, dash refresh. She's looking tough. Heart of the beast. The old motor was shot. Out with the old, in with a fresh 302 rebuilt V8. New headers, exhaust, tune it up. Listen to that rumble. Every bolt torqued, every detail dialed in. This Mustang's back in action. And here she is, the finished 1965 Mustang. From rusty project to rolling legend, pure American muscle reborn. Feel that power? She's alive again, back on the open road like it's 1965 all over. If you loved this transformation, hit that like button, subscribe for more insane builds, and drop a comment. What classic should we bring back next? Thanks for watching. See y'all in the next one.